This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to an email address using HTML. Let me jump over to my web page here. I am on my web page. It's a very basic web page. I'm just showing you how to hyperlink an image to an email address. I have some text up here, how to link an image to an email address, and then I have a PNG image here. You can see as my cursor goes over the image, it turns to a hand. It is hyperlinked. If I left click on this image, it brings up my mailing app. And the email address that I provided in my code is right here, example@yourdomain.com. The way to do that, it's very simple. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I am on VS Code now. As you can see, I have a very basic HTML document here. I have 2 lines of code. The first line is how to link an image to an email address. The second line is my image. That's where my image is at. If you want to hyperlink an image to an email address, you want to place it inside of anchor tags. I'm going to go to the very front of my image tag here, put my mouse cursor in there, and I'm going to create an anchor tag. Then I'm going to do a space, and I'm going to do href equals double quotation. Now I'm going to type mailto colon. Then I'm going to provide my email address that I want the image hyperlinked to. I'm just going to use a fictional one. Example@yourdomain.com. Then you want to close this off with a double quotation. And you want to close your opening anchor tag. Now it automatically created a closing anchor tag here. I don't want that there. I'm going to take out that closing tag. And I'm going to go down to the very end of my image tag. I'm going to put my cursor there, and I'm going to close off my anchor tag down here. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here, and I'm going to save this. File, down to save. I'm going to jump back over to my web page. I'm going to refresh my web page. Then I'm going to left click on the image. And it opens up my mailing app with the email address that I had provided right there. That is how to hyperlink an image to an email address using HTML. Thanks for watching.